you got a grumpy looking side. What are you doing?
Yeah, it's really cute, and some of them are really old. Onion and potato and green beans and whatever, and put them in a foil pouch and cook them in the fire.
Really, really.
It's good.
I bet. I bet.
A little bit of like Lipton soup mix or something on it, you know?
Yeah. I bet.
Here.
Hi. Are you thinking?
I'm thinking. There's nothing to say.
Nothing to say?
No, we're just sitting here.
Waiting to have your Noah's special baked apple, fire apple with cinnamon and sugar
Right.
for dessert.
Right.
Are you going to get ice cream for yours?
Yes. Tastes good with ice cream.
That's the privilege of making it at home versus out on the trail.
There's a few flies, but otherwise very few bugs. So we've been lucky.
Yep.
We tried to repair the fireplace today. That's why it's going.
We decided to fire cure the mortar. Right? So there's the repair job. Noah, you gonna spin the apple?
That's what I just came to do.
Okay.
Oh, melted in a second when I took it into the sauna. Gee.
Sauna's on now?
Well, I turned it back on.
Oh.
I'm gonna take a sauna. It's at like 170.
Oh, but, all right.
That's
We'll
just
get
the way I like it.
just where you like it.
Follow me like that.
Yep. Is that it?
That's it.
John watches that all the time.
This guy looks like Todd walking around.
John loves that.
Yeah, I think I got the girl.
It must be like summer, the color of summer. I've never had a pedicure. I can't make my hair.
It's like if you go down the back way to the airport.
Like people touching my feet. I have a thing about feet.
Does that sound good?
I'll take him like one time around and bring him back.
No rush.
Well,
And Hayden can spot.
get up and help his uncle.
Hayden can spot.
Did you like move it over?
Lake right now. Noah's gonna take me and watch it.
Recorded.
Anytime.
Peace out.
I know.
We've got a lot of rope around here. Said you wanted to swim.
I do.
Here I am.
Oh, I know, but we need someone to like spot us.
Where are we going? We're just going. We're just going down there.
I figured you had Scott with you.
What?
Camp.
Where did he throw it?
No, I don't know. No
Well, I had
camp
a couple
stories.
stories from camp about some good poops that I've seen. I saw one 2 years ago at Parsons. It was on like
Hayden Shark Week.
after about 4 days of camp on Thursday. You don't want to film
This week.
He wants to stow it on camera.
And then and then either Phil Templeton or Brett, what was his name?
Melker?
Yeah,
Wow.
did something like
Nice.
that. Did something like that in the boys' locker room to swim team.
Kathy Birch smeared poop on the
That's weird.
stall in like 4th grade at Hannah Walt.
Did they like pick it up with their hand? Or?
I don't know.
But
But the
I
thing
guess
is,
it's
like,
since they're own, it's okay.
it's fine.
I think
Yeah.
she
You
was.
just gotta wash it
I
off.
think she was sort of sad about something.
Yeah, that would be.
But it was after about like 4 or 5 days of camp. We came after the
Don't
toilet.
put that on YouTube.
We came to the bathroom after lunch, and there was
I'm
about
sorry.
2
That's all right.
burrito-sized poops about that big.
Oh.
Alone clogged the toilet.
Oh.
Yeah, no.
No toilet paper, and we were like, that is so impressive.